Assalamualaikum. USB port in 60 seconds by Sadali Syed Network and vSphere Administrator. USB port on a motherboard is a connection point for USB universal serial bus devices, secondary devices such as mic, keyboards, external hard drives, and other peripherals. Motherboards usually have several USB ports. They allow users to connect multiple USB devices at once. USB ports are typically located on the rear of the motherboard, though some may be located on the front or side. USB ports are used to provide power and data transfer between devices, and modern motherboards support USB 3.0 and USB 3.1 ports for faster data transfer speeds. USB Universal Serial Bus 2.0 ports are commonly used. There are usually a couple of these ports located on each motherboard used for connecting pen drives and external hard drives like iPods or MP3 players.